What you doing, Bella?
Am I gonna do your hair?
Uncle Wyatt gonna do your hair? Oh, beautiful. Is he spraying you? Oh, nice. Oh, well done.
You weren't done yet.
I did it.
Okay, is it my turn? Is it my turn?
I did it.
She wants to make the chair go down.
Yeah.
Okay, well, she'll do it. She'll figure it out. Pull it up.
I don't think she's heavy enough.
Oh.
Here, I can make her go down, Bella. Here, can you get off for a second?
You have to be
Thank
heavier.
you. Thank you.
No, you.
What?
You.
Okay, now you get off, she says.
Up,
What? Oh.
up. You. You. You second. You.
Oh, nice job.
Up and fair.
Oh, here.
Okay. Go. Go. Go, finger, will you?
Put the comb in the washing machine.
Hey, Barbara, what are you doing?
She's got to wash the comb.
Oh.
Hey.
Dirty comb?
Done.
It's done?
Okay, now take it out.
Yeah, you need to wash combs, that's for sure. You never know what kind of things might be on a comb.
Like the lights.
Nice job.
This fair chapter.
Spray? Okay.
She's really looking at. Oh, you're going to use the curling iron?
He says,
You put this part in the hair.
"Here, I touch you." Sweet.
Sorry.
Face.
Spray.
Funny. Getting a little wet there, Wyatt? Oh, now she's going to chase the dog. Oh, Jake's going to love that.
Oh. Gotta put the spray bottle in.
You got to clean the spray bottle too?
That's Star here.
It's Darth Vader?
Done.
Done?
Done.
Done.
Whoa. Dad. Who's that, Emma? Who's that?
That's Bella.
You're done.
You're done, honey.
You're done.
My daughter likes to go.
Drop it.
Jake? Bella. Well, Jake, get away from Bella. She doesn't want you there. Jake, down.
It's okay. It's okay.
Jake, come here.
I got it.
She say you're done, honey.
That's what it's telling me.
6, 5, 8.
Using the curling iron or the comb? Oh, excuse me.
This is happy. This is happy.
Do you want me to switch chairs up?
Oh, wow.
Thank you.
You're one of those kind of spas, huh? You want them to be comfy.
Oh, no.
He didn't listen, did he? Oh, your feet time's over. Your pedicure's done. Say pedicure done.
Okay.
65. Birthday.
Move, Jake.
Just fire. Fire, fire. Oh. Oh.
Oops, Grandma in your way?
Papa.
Oh, uh-oh, Papa turned.